Dave, you got this, right?
Got what?
You know, what it is we've been trying for months now.
Do I look like I got it?
You know, you're not much to look at, just like your paintings.
I don't have time for this right now. I got stuff to do which I need to submit before tomorrow. So kindly fuck off.
Oh, don't mind me, Mr. Picasso. After all, what would I do without you? You've been paying for all the groceries, right? You paid our rent this month, right? And you've been doing all the work around this house?
You are getting too old for this shit. I have told you so many times, I just need my big break. And then all of this will be over.
Oh yes. How could I have forgotten about a big fucking break?
Listen here. You're amazing. You don't need to hear shit from other people. You're better than them. You're here to leave your own legacy. You're not a good artist. You're a great fucking artist. People, they're cruel. They don't understand. They can't understand. But I do. I understand you. You're better than them. All you need is a bit of time and patience. So get your shit together and let's complete this bitch.
Heatwave, Hitzewelle.
You don't know how long it was in the washroom? Oh god, that god. Still smell like shit, man. Get out! Hey, what's wrong with you, man?
I don't give a shit. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
Yes, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with everyone? I'm trying to do something here.
You're the one sitting on the chair all goddamn day!
And all you do is bitch and moan.
All I do is bitch?
Yes.
You're the one whining and complaining about things that are already your fault!
Oh, wow, suck my dick.
Everything's about you, huh? You and your goddamn sketches? All that you ever think about is fucking yourself! You know what I feel, Dave? The reason why your parents don't talk to you anymore? Because they know what a horrible fucking person you are! You and your ego for what, man? For what? What have you fucking done that wall is that big of yours? You know what, Dave? I don't hate you, man. I feel sorry for you. You despise yourself. You truly do. Deep down, you know what an asshole you are. You think the world revolves around you? You know what I feel? You're one narcissistic son of a bitch. Oh, you truly are, man. I'll give you that.
Is that it? Is it out of your system now? If you only knew what I go through every single day, you'd understand.
Aww, me. Why were you so mean to me? Fuck off, man. You know what, Dave? I'm so fucking done with you, man. I can't stand you anymore. Fuck off.
It's not finished yet. It will be better, I swear. Shut up. Shut up.
What is this? Am I supposed to be impressed?
I don't care if you are.
Everyone is just an enemy to you, right? And everyone is dumb and you are right as always. You know everything.
What I do know is that you're not even fucking real.
But I am. I am the realest fucking part of you. And that terrifies you, doesn't it?
Stop. Stop with this. I know none of this is real. I know that.
With the crying again. Is that all you copy Van Gogh for? The crying and not the talent?
Shut up. I am done. I'm done with you and everyone here. No one fucking understands me! No one ever tried to.
Everyone here is set to destroy you, right? And you are doing everything right, and everyone is trying to take you down? Is that right? No!
I'll show you.
I'll show you!